Good morning. Today is starting off our day with some clear skies in Fargo. We've got quiet conditions, no storms to talk about this morning, unlike yesterday's busy morning with the storms rumbling through and the hail and the wind and rain that we were dealing with. This morning, a much easier start. Hopefully you got a good night's sleep last night as a result of this cool, quiet weather. Good sleeping weather if you cracked open your window. And we'll have more of this coming up in the forecast. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. Some of us into the 40s. It's 45 degrees in Fosston, 43 right now in Bemidji, and it's 48 in Hallock. So once again, northwest Minnesota, where we're seeing some of our cooler numbers. Also, Waudena's at 48. It's 53 in Fargo and 52 in Grand Forks. A little warmer to the southwest, some mid-50s for the Gwinner area and Oaks here this morning. So wind is light. We've got some winds, if we do have wind, that are out of the north or northwest. So just that general northwesterly direction that often brings in that drier air and cooler air for us here in the valley. A lot of calm reports coming in though too this morning, and visibility looking good almost everywhere. We've got one spot now, Bemidji. We dropped down to less than a mile visibility. So dense fog forming in the Bemidji area. Watch out in surrounding areas too. We might be dealing with that as well. There's big spaces between these reporting sites, so there could be some spots where we're dealing with that patchy dense fog. So other than that, we're looking pretty quiet this morning. Lots of clear skies in the valley. We are keeping an eye on the border area between North and South Dakota. There's some clouds south of Bismarck and even some sprinkles and light showers there too. Those are going to roll eastward. So as they do so, we'll end up getting a little more cloud cover to start off today in the south, the far south especially. But in addition to that, you could have some sprinkles on the northern end of a system that's mainly missing us here for today. So here's a look at that hour by hour planner. A little fog out there this morning, a little cloud cover to the south, but other than that, looking like a quiet, nice start to the day. Maybe feeling a little crisp for you as you step out the door. Noon, lots of sun, temperatures trying to get to 70. And some of us will get there today. We'll get into the low to mid 70s, especially more likely in the south and west. Fargo, Grand Forks in that 74-degree range. And up to the north and east, that's where we're more likely to spend the day in the 60s. So a cooler day here, but at least it'll be nice and bright and sunny. And the wind is not as strong. Still some speeds into the teens, though. Heading into this evening, some clouds are going to try to creep into our northwestern viewing area, and that's where we may see them off and on in the next couple of days. Elsewhere, we're more likely to enjoy quite a bit of clear sky. And overnight tonight, another quiet one, another night for good sleeping with temperatures down into the 40s in spots and low 50s as well. So it may be even cooler tomorrow to start the day, and sunny skies ahead of us for your Thursday as well. The one area again that might be a little bit different is up to the northeast. We may see a few more clouds there to start off in the morning, but also just continuing through the day. We might have a few more passing clouds. Heading into the afternoon tomorrow, more of the same. More temperatures in the upper 60s to some low 70s for your Thursday with mostly sunny conditions. So midweek looking pretty good. Quiet, cool for us here in the valley for students to go back to school today. I know there's some districts heading back today and also tomorrow too. Here's that photo again, the undulatus asperatus clouds. These are the ones that look so dramatic with the wavy structure at the base of the cloud indicating some unsettled weather. We certainly had that yesterday morning. This is in West Fargo. Thanks, Kelly. And your 7-day planner. Cooler back into the 70s here in your forecast. Next couple of days look nice and quiet, sunny. And then here comes that chance for rain again. This will be Friday in the second half of the day right now, it looks like. And then continuing off and on through the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday, chances for some storms here in the forecast. And temperatures will be cooler in spots as a result. If you have more cloud cover, more rain, it's going to be harder to warm up when we do get that sun. I'm hoping at least one day this weekend we'll get closer to that 80-degree mark and enjoy at least a couple of days here where it still feels like summer this week.
Even though school's starting, we're not ready to let go of the 80s.
I don't think so. You know, hopefully we can keep that going into September here. You know, we have plenty of days left where we can hit 80 here in the valley. So hopefully we get there just to hang on to summer a little while longer.
Sounds great. Thank you, Lisa.
Learning doesn't have to stop when your student leaves the classroom. Coming up next, which after-school programs are best for your child?